Check. 1, 2.
We have two mother and sons that will be participating in this game. All they need to do is to shoot the ball dahil si son ay magiging guide natin dito. The fastest that can shoot the ball will win. And then how about your son? Your son, ano pangalan ng iyong anak? What's his name? Nico. Nico, okay. So punta na tayo, dito sa ating center court to prepare for... For making this game day extra special. Happy Father's Day mga ka-PBA, and that was your PBA Father's Day Blindfolded Shoot Contest. Para sa ating PBA, clap your hands down! Siyempre, sundan din natin yan ang ating PBA emoji cam.